G'day, it's Jay from Hairstyles by Jay, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this no heat updo. So what you want to do is just add a little bit of sea salt spray. It's just going to add a little bit more texture to the hair. And then grab a small section on the top of the crown. Now I used Osis Volume Up to just give a little bit of help with the texture, but that's not compulsory. You just want to give a little bit of a tease and pull it to the side. The main technique with this is to give it a pinch. So you're wanting to be twisting the hair, crisscrossing them, and then pinching it. So an example here is we're going to put that Osis spray in, give it a little bit of a tease, smooth it out, and then we want to give it a little twist and then start pulling at the hair. So we just want to continue this process and just pulling little sections of hair. You can use a lot stronger hairspray than I'm using in this tutorial. However, I am using a mannequin, and so I try to avoid too strong of hairsprays. But we just want to repeat this process and keep crisscrossing. There's no right or wrong way to cross the hair in the different directions. It will take a little bit of trial and error. I found this style a lot trickier in that finding what's that perfect balance of crisscross and amount of sections. It also, I found it a lot easier to work with shorter hair and thicker hair as well. And we just want to continue this process pretty much for the rest of the hair. So I'm just going to fast forward it to be a little bit quicker and just see how I did it, and then we'll come back together for the end. So now we're up to the last few sections on the bottom. And an important thing to note is this is normally where the hair is the most frizziest and where it can really struggle to stay in place. So make sure that you do use a stronghold hairspray and give it a good comb through before twisting. Okay, so the last step you want to do is just do little bits of pulling the hair just to fix up any little mistakes, cover any bobby pins, and just get that desired texture. Now I'd recommend go slowly because it's better to pull little amounts than over pull and wreck the styles. So also to finish off, I am using an extreme hold. I would normally probably use this one more throughout the styling, but as well I am using a mannequin so I didn't want too much product. And then just curl the front bits. I curled it with a straightener, but you could definitely curl it with a curling wand or any other tool that you have.